Hello? Ladies and gentlemen, hello, this is your captain speaking again. Welcome to 2012 to India.